You often stay in doubt even after deleting any file from your Mac. And you wonder if someone has found your files? That will be disastrous for you, won't it? Also, the problem of unwanted storage filling, these are frustrating. The best solution for all kinds of digital file shredding and storage cleaning is Macube Cleaner. Macube Cleaner isn't just another tool, it's a game changer. With its powerful file shredding capabilities and storage cleaning, it ensures your sensitive data remains private and secure. It provides you with the safety of destroying any junk or duplicate file completely on your Mac. Like the traditional paper shredder, it makes sure no one can recover any destroyed files. The whole process is invisible and very simple. Just open the Macube Cleaner application. From scanning the whole disk to any small fillet, you can easily select each of them and then just need to click on the Clean button. That's all it requires to clean your unwanted files. Not only automatic scanning, but it also helps with large and old file removal. The problem of duplicate file finding and removing from your Mac. You can even use Toolkit and shred any file you want. It can't be recoverable ever. It's like a paper shredder in a digital platform to ensure your safety. You only need to open and drop any file or add files into it and just click the option Clean, and everything is done. That is a very easy-to-use, compatible application for your device with the multifunctionality aspects. It ensures the safety of the users by impossible recovery features. Say hello to a clutter-free, lightning-fast Mac with Macube Cleaner. Don't wait. Upgrade your Mac experience today. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips to maximize your Mac's performance. Thanks for watching.